Hi students, welcome to the Google Classroom. CBSE published the revised syllabus of class 10. According to the revised syllabus, our geography chapter 5 is deleted. So you have to study only the math questions of that chapter. We will discuss the math questions later. So, we will move to the next chapter, Economics, Chapter 3, Money and Credit. In this chapter, you will study more about money. Money acts as a medium of exchange, modern forms of currency, the loan activities of banks, the functions of RBI, the formal and informal sector loans, and the self-help groups. Let's begin with the topic, Money acts as a medium of exchange. We need money in our daily life. Can you imagine a world without money? Do you know barter system? Yes, you have studied barter system in your previous classes. What is barter system? Before the invention of money, people used this barter system. It is a trade or exchange of goods and services without the use of money. There are so many things that you need in your daily life. But what is the one thing that can help you to get them all? Money. If you have money, you can buy anything in the market. From a toothbrush to a luxury car, a house, insurance, etc. Money can help you to buy all kinds of goods and services. However, thousands of years ago, there was no concept of money. How did people buy and sell goods when there was no money? In those times, people simply exchanged one commodity for the other depending upon their requirements. This was called barter system. So children, what do you mean by barter system? A barter system is an old method of exchange. The system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchanged services and goods for other services and goods in return. So barter system means it is a trade or exchange of goods and services without the use of money. In short, barter system is a system in which goods are exchanged for other goods before the invention of money. Double coincidence of wants is an essential feature of this barter system. Double coincidence of wants is the essential feature of this barter system. So, this double coincidence, it is a problem arise in barter system. It means what the seller wished to sell exactly match with what the buyer desires to buy. But it is difficult to find such a person every time. Money have solved this problem. So what do you mean by double coincidence of wants? In the olden days, when modern currency was not in vogue, people had to sell and buy each other's commodities. This was called the barter system. For instance, if a shoe manufacturer wants to buy wheat, he has to find a farmer who wants to buy his shoes in exchange for the wheat. Both parties have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodities. This is known as double coincidence of wants. So what do you mean by double coincidence of wants? Both the parties, in this example, here a shoe manufacturer and a farmer. So this shoe manufacturer and the farmer, both parties have to agree to sell and buy each other's commodities. And this is known as double coincidence of wants. So in a barter system where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, the double coincidence of wants is an essential feature. In contrast, in an economy where money is in use, money, by providing the crucial intermediate step, eliminates the need for double coincidence of wants. It is no longer necessary for the shoe manufacturer to look for a farmer who will buy his shoes and at the same time sell him wheat. So, what is the definition of money? Anything which is used as a medium of exchange, store of value, and standard of deferred payments is called money. Once more, what is the definition of money? Anything which is used as a medium of exchange, store of value, and the standard of deferred payments is called money. This is the picture of the exchange of goods in terms of money. Children, money acts as an intermediate in the exchange process. It is called a medium of exchange. So, money as a medium of exchange. The use of money spans a very large part of our everyday life. Several transactions involving money are made in any single day. Goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. Services are being exchanged with money. Goods are also bought with a promise to pay money later. Money is sometimes paid as advance with the promise of delivery of goods later. As the need for a medium of exchange became a necessity, different materials were used as a medium of exchange. So, in short, money can act as a medium of exchange. Before the introduction of coins, a variety of objects was used as money. For example, since the very early ages, Indians used grains and cattle as money. Thereafter came the use of metallic coins such as gold, silver, copper coins, a phase which continued well into the last century. Let us conclude today's session by recollecting all the concepts. What do you mean by barter system? It is an exchange of goods and services without the use of money. And double coincidence of want is the essential feature of this barter system. Then what do you mean by double coincidence of wants? Both the parties agreed to sell and buy each other's commodity at the same time. Then after the invention of money, people began exchanging goods and services in terms of money. So money can act as a medium of exchange. Children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Study well, make use of all these available resources and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.